In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Help Scout with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a secure connection that lets Zapier talk to your Help Scout account so you can automate repetitive support tasks in the background. To follow along, make sure you can log into Zapier and to Help Scout. If you're new to Zapier, open a browser and go to zapier.com to create a free account or sign in. Keep that tab handy. We'll use it in a moment. On the Help Scout side, sign in with an account that has permission to use integrations and APIs. Many teams restrict this to admins, so if you're not sure, a quick check with your workspace owner can save you time. Having both tabs open and ready will make the connection step smooth, especially if your Help Scout account uses two-factor authentication or single sign-on. With Zapier open, look at the top navigation and click My Apps. This is your central place for adding and managing app connections. Choose Add Connection, then type Help Scout into the search bar and select it from the results. Zapier will prompt you to authorize the connection. A secure Help Scout window appears asking you to log in, if you aren't already, and to grant access. Read the permissions screen so you understand what Zapier can do on your behalf. When you approve, Zapier and Help Scout exchange secure tokens, not your password, and the connection is established. Once the authorization completes, you'll be returned to My Apps and you should see Help Scout listed with a connected status. That's your confirmation that everything worked. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or check if a pop-up blocker prevented the authorization window from opening. At this point, the setup is done. Zapier is now allowed to watch for events in Help Scout, like new conversations or updates, and perform actions you choose, such as adding tags or creating follow-up tasks, all within the limits of the permissions you granted. You can revisit My Apps anytime to view connection details or troubleshoot. And that's it. You created your Zapier and Help Scout sign-ins, connected them through My Apps, and confirmed the integration. In future automations, you'll simply select Help Scout as a trigger or action, and you'll be ready to build. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.